Hey guys, I'm Prasad Mehta and welcome back to King of Food Times Official. Today we are going to learn this amazing, delicious Iranian yogurt soup. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a new recipe altogether. If you are joining me for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button below for amazing food ideas, recipes, and much more. To make Iranian soup, we need these ingredients. To begin our first step, we'll add a tablespoon of butter. Add our garlic. Time to add our onions. Saute the onion and garlic for 10 minutes until they are golden brown. Add some chopped mint. You can also add dried mint, but I have used fresh chopped mint, and we will saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And we will transfer this into the bowl. So the next step you want to do is that we'll take half quantity of yogurt and we'll add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix it up. We will add remaining yogurt into the pan. Our yogurt and cornstarch mixture, water, approximately 1 glass. So we'll keep on stirring it continuously on a very low flame. Make sure that your soup doesn't come to a boiling point, because if it does, then it will begin to curdle. We don't want that. So we'll keep on stirring it continuously. It's time to add some salt, a pinch of pepper. Now mix it up. See, the cornstarch will thicken the mixture. So as you can see, our consistency have become more smoother. Our soup has become much more thicker. So it's time to turn off the heat. Now it's time to add our brown rice. It's time to add our chickpeas. This recipe is so easy and so adaptable that you can use any lentil or any grain that you have at your home, and you can add it into the soup. And to add our herbs, we'll add our coriander and chopped dill. Give it a nice mix. Done. It's time to do our final plating. As you saw how easy and such a fantastic recipe this is, you can make this recipe from your leftover grains, lentils, curd, rice and chickpeas. Every ingredient of this soup is at your home. So do try and let me know in the comment section below how it turns out for you. So I will see you next week with one more amazing, unique recipe. So don't forget to press the subscribe button and stay tuned. And thanks for watching King of Food Times Official.